Om Gan Ganpate Namaha. Welcome to this meditation to heal our throat chakra. Our throat chakra is responsible for our communication, self-expression, self-esteem, and authenticity. Sit in a very comfortable position, preferably with your spine straight and your hands on your lap. And once you feel you're comfortable, gently close your eyes. Now, take 3 deep breaths and each time exhale through your mouth. Inhale. Hold the breath in your stomach and exhale. Inhale. Hold the breath in your stomach and exhale. Inhale again and exhale. And as you focus on your breath now, visualize yourself standing in a beautiful open space. And as you look up, you can see the beautiful sky above you. The sky is in a beautiful shade of blue. The shade of blue you love the most. As you stand under the bright sky, in your favorite shade of blue, you now bring your attention to the ground beneath you. And you can feel roots coming out from the soles of your feet and entering Mother Earth. This is your grounding cord with Mother Earth. Visualize them going deep into Mother Earth until it reaches the center of Mother Earth. This is your connection with Mother Earth. As it has now reached the center of Mother Earth, release and let go of all the negativity and blockages in your daily life into Mother Earth. Release all the negativity, the stress, the anxiety, the pressures that you have. And as you release all the negativity, you feel a sense of grounding and stability with Mother Earth. And now, you feel a beautiful white light coming from the roots up to the soles of your feet, and from there entering your body and healing your entire body and aura. Let this beautiful white light heal your body and ground you completely. Feel your connection with Mother Earth. As you feel peaceful, you notice that there are beautiful rays of shining blue light that is coming straight from the sky and entering your body now. Look up, the shade of blue is so soothing and is your most favorite shade of blue. As you shine in this blue light, bring your awareness to your throat, which is the location of your throat chakra. And as you focus on your throat, you notice that there is a ball of blue healing light that is shining bright in this area of your throat. This ball of blue light is cleansing your throat chakra, and you may feel a vibrating or pulsating energy here as you feel all the blocks in your communication and self-expression being released completely from your throat chakra today. All these blocks that were stopping you from expressing yourself clearly and creatively, and all these blocks that were stopping you from communicating authentically or speaking your own truth are now released. Today, let go of all of these blocks. Feel them releasing from your body, from your throat chakra, completely. You may feel a lightness in your throat chakra as these blocks are being released. With the blocks being released, you notice that there is a bright turquoise, blue colored lotus, 16 petals this time, that is slowly beginning to open up in your throat chakra. This turquoise blue lotus feels so soothing and calming in your throat chakra, and this turquoise blue lotus is a sign of your throat chakra being balanced and healed. It is a sign that your throat chakra is now vibrating at the highest frequency of a healthy and balanced throat chakra. And you can now feel this energy pulsating in your throat chakra. The energy of a balanced and healed throat chakra. You now feel confident in communicating your thoughts and feelings authentically and speaking your truth. You are now confident to express yourself freely and creatively in a way that is respectful and responsible. Feel the confidence in your throat chakra and maintain your awareness on this turquoise blue lotus with 16 petals. As you feel all the positive qualities in your throat chakra, listen to these affirmations and allow it to sink in your throat chakra as you tune your awareness into the bright turquoise blue lotus in your throat chakra. Let these affirmations hold true for you completely. Let the positive qualities merge into each and every cell of your being of a positive and balanced throat chakra today. You can repeat these affirmations with me or just listen to them. It is safe for me to express and communicate my truth. It is safe for me to express and communicate my truth. I express my emotions with clarity and freedom. I express my emotions with clarity and freedom. My voice heals others and my words uplift others. My voice heals others and my words uplift others. I speak with confidence and clarity. I speak with confidence and clarity. I express myself through my natural gifts and talents. I express myself through my natural gifts and talents. Let these affirmations merge into each and every cell of your body, making your throat chakra even more healed and balanced. And now, express your gratitude towards your throat chakra for the gift of communication and self-expression, for being the vehicle through which you have expressed your feelings, emotions, thoughts, and needs to others. And with this energy of gratitude and the healing of your balanced throat chakra today, it is now time to come back to your conscious awareness with all the healing energies that you received here. Start coming up with 1, higher up with 2, integrated into your physical body at 3, completely healed your throat chakra at 4, at 5. Gently open your eyes and continue with your day. Thank you so much.